Coding languages. Choosing your foundation.
Learning at least one programming language thoroughly is crucial before starting your first coding job. Popular options include Python, JavaScript, or Java, depending on your interests and the industry. Aim to understand basic syntax, variables, data types, and simple control structures like loops and conditionals, as these concepts underpin all coding tasks and technical interviews.
Problem solving and algorithms.
Employers value developers who can break down problems and create efficient solutions. Focus on learning how to approach coding challenges, implement standard algorithms, and use data structures like arrays, lists, and dictionaries. Practice by solving real-world problems or puzzles on coding challenge platforms to build your confidence and logical thinking.
Version control with Git.
Understanding version control systems, such as Git, is essential for collaboration and workflow in any software job. Learn key concepts like repositories, commits, branches, and merges. Practice using platforms like GitHub to share your code, manage projects, and contribute to team efforts. Employers look for candidates comfortable with these tools from the start.
Communication and teamwork skills.
Soft skills are just as vital as technical ability. Being able to clearly explain your code, ask questions, and give or receive feedback helps you work effectively in a team. Practice communicating complex ideas in simple terms, listening actively, and collaborating on group projects to build these essential workplace habits.
Debugging and troubleshooting basics.
Every developer spends time finding and fixing errors. Learn how to read error messages, use print statements or debugging tools, and approach bugs systematically. Developing strong troubleshooting habits saves time, reduces frustration, and shows employers you can maintain and improve code quality.
Embracing continuous learning.
Technology evolves quickly, so being open to ongoing learning is key. Stay curious, seek out new resources, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Being proactive about skill building shows potential employers your commitment to growth and adaptability in a dynamic industry.